Hello everyone, welcome to my new mini blog. Hope you all are doing good. Today I will share a small road tour with you. This is Maa Fly Over and today I will show you a nice view of Kolkata from this Maa Fly Over. Maa Fly Over is the longest flyover throughout Kolkata and it covers a distance of 7.5 kilometers. It is built along Park Circus connector and connects EM bypass with Park Circus 7-point crossing, then to Vidyasagar Setu to Howrah via the existing ADC Bose Road flyover. The total length of the flyover, including the ramps, is 9.2 km and is the fourth longest flyover in the entire country. As you can see, what a nice view we can see from this flyover. The high-rise buildings are standing over and we are crossing these high-rise buildings one by one. Today the weather is mostly cloudy, as you can see clouds in the sky, and it is looking very nice. Pleasant wind is blowing through and the weather is also very pleasant. I always prefer to travel through this Maa flyover so that I can explore the beautiful scenery from this Maa flyover. As you can see, the beautiful view of our Kolkata. This Maa flyover forms a seamless no-signal traffic corridor from EM bypass to PG Hospital. This flyover started its construction in February 2010. This project has an original deadline of August 2012 and the deadline was extended multiple of times. After a huge cost overrun and delays, the main flyover was opened on 9th of October 2015 at a cost of rupees 460 crores. And really it's a very huge amount. On the left hand side it is Milon Mela Prangon and right hand side it is Science City. As you can see the dome of the Science City auditorium. And wow, what a beautiful view of this ITC Sonar Bangla. You can see such a huge hotel and its beautiful construction. It's looking very nice, as you can see. And this is the view of the city of joy, Kolkata, from this Maa flyover. We have completed the distance of 7.5 kilometers and we are approaching towards Bartaman Bhavan. Left hand side the white building, it is Bartaman Bhavan. This was what